Hi, welcome to this podcast, Famous Book Lessons and Summaries. Today, we'll be looking at The 5 Love Languages, a book by Gary Chapman. The 5 Love Languages shows couples how to make their love last by learning to recognize the unique way their partner feels loved. It also identifies 5 ways that people expresses and experience love: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Here are 5 key lessons from the book. Lesson 1. Everyone has a primary love language, which is the way they most naturally give and receive love. Understanding your own love language and that of your partner can help improve communication and strengthen your relationships. Lesson 2. Love languages can change over time, so it's important to regularly communicate with your partner and be open to learning and adapting to their changing needs. Lesson 3. Love is not a feeling, but a choice to act in ways that demonstrate care and affection for another person. Be actively expressing love in your partner's primary love language. You can deepen your connection and build a more fulfilling relationship. Lesson 4. Love languages are not limited to a romantic relationship, but can also be applied to friendships, family relationships, and other interpersonal connections. Lesson 5. Paying attention to and meeting your partner's love language needs is essential for a healthy and happy relationship. By taking the time to understand and appreciate each other's love languages, you can create a strong and lasting bond. Improve your relationship and strengthen your bond with your loved one by learning their love language. Anyone who has experienced romantic love can tell you that falling in love is easy. The hard part, especially in today's world, is staying in love. So many couples drift apart. Distractions, conflicts, miscommunications, and boredom can get in the way of what was once a magical relationship. Staying in love takes work. Relationships need careful and attentive nurturing. Go ahead and pick a copy of the book, The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman. This series of podcasts was born to provide you with life lessons, business lessons, and summaries of your favorite bestsellers. Subscribe and follow us today. And if there's any book you need a summary on, do let us know. Also, share your thoughts with me and I'll be glad to respond to you. I'm Onuzurike Chukwuagozie. See you on the next one.